Here's my keto omelet muffins that I'm gonna have pre-made. This is the sausage I just got done frying up. That's for the next batch. You see we got it all stuffed in here. And then these are gonna be taco omelets. So we're gonna have 6 of those and 6 of those. And we got enough for 6 more. And we got some bacon we're gonna fry up for the next batch. Now all we gotta do is add the egg mixture. Got 13 eggs in there, all whipped up with cream in there. Pouring that in. You better make sure you got enough. You need too full. You can always make some more, I guess. Getting pretty light. Uh-oh. Oh. Ah, heck. Looks like I get 3 more eggs on. Or 4. Alright. Yeah, we got the 4 eggs in there. Put recipe calls for a little bit of cream in there, so we put some heavy cream. Alright. Got quite a bit in that one. Let's put it over there. Yeah, I got a little too much in there. That's alright. They look pretty even. Pretty even to me. Now I'll just grab some cheddar cheese and put on there. And sprinkle it on there until I get tired of it. Get some from Walmart there. So we got the cheese all on there. We just gotta probably get it off the side so it's on the actual omelet. Don't want it cooking on the top. Look at that. It's gonna make an omelet anyhow. It's got the right ingredient. So, we'll put it in the oven and cook the heck out of it. See what happens. Oh boy, lots of heat in there. Put it right in the middle so the heat gets all over there. Yeah, right now I'm going to chop this all up, this bacon, and we'll go for the second batch. And we'll have 6 bacon, and right over here we got enough for 6 more. So we'll have another 12. And there's a cheddar cheese, and put that in last. Yeah, bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Gotta set my alarm here. Yeah, we just started that because it was in there a couple minutes. So, yeah, we started at 18 something. See what happens. Here, I was just looking at the thickness of this bacon. Ooh, look at that. Not like down at the Waffle House. I think you got 3 slices out of that. Made it 3 times as thin, right? Still charged me $3 for 3 pieces. Cheapskates down there. He's cooking it. Just got chopped up fairly well. That piece is pretty big. Missed that one. I'm gonna pour this in the heat down. It sounds kind of high. Look at that stack of eggs. There's probably about 15 eggs in there. And only got 12, 13, 14 left. So that's enough to do another batch. So I'm just gonna have to mention we ran out of eggs after these are gone. Alright. It's been 20 minutes or so. Look at them things. Woofed up. Well, that one sure shot up. Look how high that thing went. Went way up. Look pretty golden brown. I think they're done. I think they're done. I guess we'll just dump them out. Well, that did work. Just fell right out. Put enough oil in there. So yeah, they fell right out. Pretty good pan. So I guess we leave them cook. Here it is, 14 eggs. Made a heck of a mess over there. She killed off 2.5 dozen of eggs. So we just whisked the heck out of them. I think they're done. I just turned the heat off this and I'm just leaving it cook. I really like crispy bacon. So it'll cook a little bit more in their own grease here. And just scatter them on there. Poke them in the holes later on. It's a little greasy, yeah, it'll just help fall out of the pan better. There. That looked full to you. Didn't want to skimp that old. Yeah, I don't know. That one looks a little filly, but we'll see. Well, as you can see, 14 eggs just does not fill these up. You really gotta have more meat in them or something. So, anyhow, I guess we'll just have 2 instead of 1 one day. So, we'll get around that. And we fill that up with cheddar cheese. Okay, well, we'll just put a little bit on top. Alright, just finishing up the cheddar on here. Just poke it down, get them off the sides. So, whoops. Cool. Good enough. Alright. Here they are. Just come out of the oven. Look pretty dang good. Good and done. Whoa. And they just fall out. Clean as a whistle. Maybe they're not cooked as... I don't know. That one kind of fell. Ooh. Huh. What the heck. Well, here's these things all cooled off. I guess I probably shouldn't have left it sitting on upside down. Huh. Yeah, it looks pretty good. What the heck? We ain't gonna get no real ones for this. Here's them sausage ones. Yeah, it's pretty good. They'll be pretty good, I think. Plastic bags now, after they cool off. And we'll have lunch for the next 2 weeks or more, I would say, with the other batch. Just gotta nuke them. Well, it's the first time trying it. Tastes pretty good. Except it needs salt and pepper, I discovered. And don't think I can improve much on that recipe. Real simple stuff. There, I tried the bacon one, the one that fell over. No, pretty good, except needed some salt. So we got put the pink Himalayan salt on, a little pepper on it, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. So definitely have to do that again. Got a little buddy down here, he's really hungry. Clancy, you want that? Huh? You want that? If it's something he really likes, he can catch. So, and I know he won't eat it, so I didn't even offer it to him, right? Bet she wants another piece. You want another piece of that? Huh? Want another piece of that? Oh. Yeah, he missed. What the heck? He got it though.